It's Friday, January 5th, just following up on Microsoft after buying some puts here on this red bar breakdown, pausing a little bit. Now we've broken through the lows of the day. That was kind of the first target. And then I want to see if we kind of work our way to those pre-market lows if things get really negative. I just scaled out of those puts. I bought the 375 puts at 679, just scaled out at 725 to set up an overage trade. When it kind of broke there, they're up to 745 right now. So, if it just bounces here and can't go much lower, then, I can take a small gain. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of momentum building to the downside. Very tough to say, though. It's not the greatest necessarily trade context-wise. We got 3 inside days here, so that's kind of, choppy in this area. So we're getting to the low end of that range. That doesn't, but the weekly chart as we get closer and closer to close is looking more and more red, and that can follow through into next week to the low 360. So given the fact that there was a little bit of space to go to those pre-market lows and the high probability we were going to take out that first bar low, I wanted to give the trade a shot here. And obviously now you can take basic gains. You just watch the 15-minute chart to see bar after bar if we can build some momentum, which we're doing now, which that's kind of what I was hoping for might unfold. And the options here, they're asking 760 right now. So they're up, from 670, they're up getting close to a point higher here. So nice trade on Microsoft, no matter how you want to play it. And we will see how much lower it wants to go. But context-wise, it's going to really depend on how this bar, do we stay inside in this whole area or not? So tough to say, but if things really continue, you can be getting down to that area. So good trade, no risk right now. Let's see what happens for the rest of the afternoon.